Planning a trip can be both exciting and overwhelming, especially if you're not sure where to start. In this video, we'll break down the process into simple, manageable steps to help you organize your travel from start to finish. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, having a clear plan ensures a smoother, more enjoyable experience. Let's begin by understanding why a step-by-step approach is essential and how it can save you time, money, and stress throughout your journey. The first step in planning any trip is to define your purpose. Are you traveling for relaxation, adventure, business, or to visit friends and family? Knowing your main goal will help shape every decision you make, from choosing your destination to setting your budget. Take a moment to reflect on what you want to get out of this trip. This clarity will guide your planning and ensure your journey aligns with your expectations. Once you know your purpose, it's time to choose your destination. Consider factors like climate, culture, activities, and accessibility. Research different places that fit your interests and needs. Look at travel advisories, visa requirements, and the best times to visit. Narrow down your options and pick a destination that excites you and matches your goals. This step sets the foundation for the rest of your planning process. Budgeting is a crucial part of trip planning. Start by estimating the total cost of your trip, including transportation, accommodation, food, activities, and emergencies. Use online tools and travel forums to get an idea of average expenses in your chosen destination. Be realistic about what you can afford and look for ways to save, such as traveling during off-peak seasons or using reward points. A well-planned budget helps you avoid financial stress and enjoy your trip to the fullest. Transportation is often one of the biggest expenses and logistical challenges. Research the best ways to get to your destination, whether by plane, train, bus, or car. Compare prices across different platforms and book early to secure the best deals. Don't forget to consider local transportation options at your destination, such as public transit, taxis, or rental cars. Having your transportation sorted out in advance will make your trip much smoother. Choosing where to stay is another key part of trip planning. Think about your budget, preferred location, and the type of experience you want. Do you prefer hotels, hostels, vacation rentals, or something unique like a homestay? Read reviews, compare prices, and check amenities before booking. Secure your accommodation early, especially during peak travel seasons, to get the best options and rates. A well-structured itinerary helps you make the most of your time. List the main attractions, activities, and experiences you don't want to miss. Organize them by day, considering opening hours, travel time, and your own pace. Leave some flexibility for spontaneous adventures or rest. A balanced itinerary ensures you see the highlights without feeling rushed or overwhelmed. Before you go, make sure all your travel documents are in order. Check your passport's validity and apply for any necessary visas well in advance. Print or download copies of your tickets, hotel reservations, and insurance policies. Having your paperwork organized will help you avoid last-minute stress and ensure a smooth journey through airports and borders. Travel insurance is an essential safety net for any trip. It protects you against unexpected events like medical emergencies, trip cancellations, or lost luggage. Compare different insurance plans and choose one that fits your needs and destination. Make sure you understand what's covered and keep your policy details handy during your trip. Investing in insurance gives you peace of mind and financial protection. Your health should always be a priority when traveling. Research any required or recommended vaccinations for your destination and schedule them in advance. Pack a basic first aid kit and any prescription medications you need. Check if your health insurance covers you abroad or if you need additional coverage. Staying healthy ensures you can fully enjoy your trip. Packing can make or break your travel experience. Make a checklist of essentials based on your destination's climate, activities, and length of stay. Pack versatile clothing, comfortable shoes, and travel-sized toiletries. Don't forget chargers, adapters, and important documents. Packing light and smart helps you stay organized and mobile throughout your journey. Staying connected while traveling is important for navigation, communication, and sharing your experiences. Research local SIM cards, portable Wi-Fi devices, or international roaming plans. Download offline maps and translation apps before you leave. Ensuring reliable connectivity helps you stay informed and safe during your trip. Managing your money is key to a stress-free trip. Notify your bank of your travel plans to avoid card issues. Research the local currency and exchange rates, and decide whether to bring cash, cards, or both. Set up mobile banking and keep emergency funds separate. Being prepared financially helps you handle any situation that arises. Safety should always be a top priority. Research the safety situation in your destination, including common scams and areas to avoid. Share your itinerary with someone you trust and keep emergency contacts handy. Learn basic phrases in the local language for emergencies. Taking these precautions helps you travel with confidence and peace of mind. Understanding the culture of your destination enhances your travel experience. Learn about local customs, etiquette, and traditions. Respect dress codes, religious practices, and social norms. A little cultural preparation goes a long way in building positive interactions and avoiding misunderstandings during your trip. Food is a big part of travel, but dietary needs can complicate things. Research local cuisine and identify dishes you can eat. If you have allergies or restrictions, learn how to communicate them in the local language. Carry snacks or special foods if needed. Planning ahead ensures you can enjoy local flavors without worry. Knowing a few key phrases in the local language can make your trip much easier. Learn greetings, directions, and emergency terms. Download translation apps, or carry a phrase book. Even basic language skills show respect and help you navigate new environments more confidently. No one likes to think about emergencies, but being prepared is important. Know the location of the nearest embassy or consulate, and keep copies of important documents. Have a plan for lost passports, medical emergencies, or natural disasters. Preparation helps you stay calm and act quickly if something goes wrong. Before you leave, notify important contacts about your travel plans. Share your itinerary with family or friends and provide them with your contact information. This ensures someone knows your whereabouts and can assist if needed. It's a simple step that adds an extra layer of safety to your trip. Don't forget to prepare your home before you leave. Arrange for someone to collect your mail, water your plants, or take care of pets. Set timers for lights and secure all doors and windows. These steps help protect your home and give you peace of mind while you're away. Weather can greatly impact your travel plans. Check the forecast for your destination and pack accordingly. Be prepared for unexpected changes by bringing layers or rain gear. Knowing the weather helps you plan activities and avoid unpleasant surprises. Technology can make travel much easier. Download essential apps for navigation, translation, transportation, and accommodation. Many apps work offline, which is helpful if you don't have constant internet access. Having the right tools on your phone keeps you organized and informed throughout your trip. Getting around at your destination is just as important as getting there. Research local transportation options like buses, trains, taxis, or ride-sharing services. Find out about passes or discount cards for tourists. Planning ahead saves you time and money and helps you navigate unfamiliar places with ease. Popular attractions and activities can sell out quickly, especially during peak seasons. Book tickets for tours, museums, or events ahead of time to secure your spot and often save money. Having reservations also helps you structure your itinerary and avoid disappointment. Every country has its own laws and regulations. Research rules about visas, customs, driving, and prohibited items. Understanding local laws helps you avoid fines or legal trouble and ensures a smooth, respectful visit. Traveling across time zones can affect your sleep and energy. Adjust your schedule gradually before you leave and plan for jet lag upon arrival. Use apps or alarms to help you adapt. Being prepared for time changes helps you stay refreshed and make the most of your trip. Keep all your important information in one place. Create a folder with copies of your passport, tickets, insurance, and emergency contacts. Store digital copies on your phone or cloud storage. Easy access to information helps you handle any situation efficiently. Stay informed about your destination by setting up travel alerts. Subscribe to government travel advisories and local news updates. These alerts can notify you about weather, safety, or political changes, helping you make informed decisions during your trip. If you or your travel companions have special needs, plan accordingly. Research accessibility at your destination, arrange for mobility aids, or notify airlines and hotels in advance. Proper preparation ensures everyone can travel comfortably and safely. Staying in touch with loved ones is important. Set up international calling or messaging plans and share your contact details. Use apps like WhatsApp or Skype for free communication over Wi-Fi. Good communication keeps you connected and reassured during your travels. Tipping customs vary widely around the world. Research whether tipping is expected and how much is appropriate in your destination. Knowing the local etiquette helps you avoid awkward situations and show appreciation for good service. Bringing home souvenirs is a fun part of travel. Leave space in your luggage for gifts or keepsakes. Research local markets and unique items to buy. Planning ahead helps you avoid excess baggage fees and ensures you bring home meaningful memories. Technology is great, but things can go wrong. Back up your important data, such as travel documents, photos, and contacts, to the cloud or an external drive. This way, if your device is lost or stolen, you won't lose critical information. Jet lag can affect your energy and enjoyment. Plan for rest days at the start of your trip, stay hydrated, and get sunlight to adjust your body clock. Being proactive helps you recover faster and enjoy your destination sooner. Some places require cash or specific cards for public transportation. Research payment methods in advance and get the necessary cards or change. This preparation saves time and hassle when you arrive. Every country has different emergency numbers for police, fire, and medical help. Research and save these numbers before you travel. Quick access to emergency contacts can be life-saving in critical situations. Delays are a common part of travel. Build extra time into your schedule and have backup plans for missed connections or cancellations. Bring snacks, entertainment, and patience. Being prepared for delays helps you stay calm and flexible. Travel responsibly by considering your environmental impact. Choose eco-friendly transportation, reduce waste, and support local businesses. Sustainable travel helps protect the places you visit for future generations. Before your trip ends, plan your return. Confirm your transportation, check baggage allowances, and arrange airport transfers. Make a checklist for things to do before leaving your accommodation, such as returning keys or paying bills. A smooth return helps you end your trip on a positive note. After your trip, take time to reflect on your experiences. Review what went well and what could be improved for next time. Organize your photos, write down memories, and share your stories. Reflection helps you grow as a traveler and plan even better trips in the future. Sharing your travel experiences can inspire others and help you relive your journey. Post photos, write reviews, or create a travel blog. Your insights can provide valuable tips for future travelers and help you connect with a wider community. Every trip teaches you something new. Update your travel checklist with lessons learned, new packing ideas, or better planning tips. Keeping your checklist current helps you prepare more efficiently for your next adventure. Travel doesn't end when you return home. Stay inspired by reading travel books, watching documentaries, or following travel blogs. Keep a list of dream destinations and start planning your next adventure. Staying inspired keeps the spirit of travel alive. Let's recap the essential steps for planning a successful trip. Define your purpose, choose your destination, set a budget, book transportation and accommodation, plan your itinerary, prepare documents, and take care of health, safety, and communication. Each step builds on the last, creating a comprehensive plan for a smooth and enjoyable journey. Planning a trip step by step may seem like a lot, but it's the best way to ensure a memorable and stress-free experience. With careful preparation, you can focus on enjoying your journey and making lasting memories. Remember, every traveler's journey is unique, so adapt these steps to fit your style and needs. Safe travels and happy adventures.